I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to create just a really fun, pretty Valentine's Day look, and I thought, I'm looking through all my palettes and thinking which one I can use for Valentine's Day, and the one that stood out to me was the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I was inspired by these earrings that I got from my Rocksbox subscription, and even though like I didn't use reds in my look, I don't know if you can see on camera, but there's like really pretty purples and stuff, and it totally just reminded me of Desert Dusk, so that is why I went that route. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I created this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, well, I'm starting off by priming my eyes with my Benefit Air Patrol. I just stamp it all over my eye and then blend it out with my finger. And then I'm going to grab the MAC and Patrick Star powder and my Morphe M438 brush, as you can see right here. And I'm just going to set that into place. Now I'm just grabbing some medical tape and I'm going to put it on the side of my eye here so we can have a nice and sharp line. Now I'm grabbing my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and the color Eden. I'm taking my R37 fluffy brush and I'm going to buff that into my upper crease and use this as my transition shade. Now I'm just showing you up close the earrings that I am wearing. They're so pretty. They're by the brand Perry Street. Now taking the color Amber and my Morphe M433 brush, I'm just going to deepen up my crease and put this more on the outer half of my eyelid. Now I'm taking the color Saffron and this large soft dome brush is from Revlon. It's so old, you guys, but it's tried and true and I love it. Nothing's replaced it. But I'm just going to put this on the outer corner of my eye and start building up that outer V area. Now I'm taking my M508 brush and the color Oud, and I'm just going to, again, build up that outer V area and deepen it up and give it some more dimension. Now I'm taking this white concealer and I'm going to start cutting my crease with this. This is from the brand called #ProArtist, and I love using white because it makes everything everything on top of it just pop so much more than like a creamy color concealer. Now for my favorite glitter, this is by the company Lit, and it's the liquid metals in the color Addicted. Oh my gosh. Using this as a glitter, and this is just like a concealer brush, but using this as a glitter is so stunning. I mean, you can wet it and get it to be like the liquid metals like it's intended for, but as a glitter, I've just seen nothing like it in the glitter realm. It's so pretty.
I could stay like this, forever following you.
I wanted it to have a little extra pop in the center, so I wetted my brush with some Fix Plus, and I'm just stamping that more like kind of on the center of my eyelid. Now I'm taking the Sephora colorful eyeliner in black. Guys, I bought this on a whim, and it is like the most matte liquid liner I have ever used. So if you're looking for a good cheap, like not super cheap, but it's pretty cheap, it's like, I think it was like 12 bucks, but if you're looking for a good matte liner, I think you should try this one. It's good. And of course I'm just going to set it into place with a matte black eyeshadow. This is my G28 brush. Now I'm just coating my upper lashes with my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Yep, I know it was upside down. We're not going to talk about it. And then this is my Huda Beauty lash glue and my Ardell Studio Effects wispies, of course. Just going to pop those on real quick. And I'm just going to hurry and apply the rest of my face makeup, and voila, now I'm on my Cheek Parade palette. I am mixing California and Rockateur, and this is my NARS Yoshaki brush. I think that's what it's called. Now for my lower lash line, I'm mixing Eden and Amber and taking my R41 brush, and I'm just buffing that onto my lower lash line. Now taking my M432 brush and the color Oud, I'm just gonna line the lower, like 2/3 of my lower lash line. Now I'm just taking my MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash, and I'm putting this on my lower lashes, of course. This is my ride or die. Now I'm taking my Ofra highlighter, and this is in the color Blissful. It is gorgeous. I'm going to apply it with my M510 brush, just onto my cheekbones, and then on my Cupid's bow, and then on my nose. Now taking the color Beverly Hills from Ofra, I'm going to go into this little white shade right here, and I'm just going to pop this onto the inner corner of my eyes, on my tear ducts, yep. And then my Slay All Day setting spray, this is the coconut scented one. This is so good. I'm taking my Morphe lip liner in the color Huva, and I'm just going to line my lips with this. These are really good lip liners, you guys. I'm actually really enjoying them. They're super cheap, and they're creamy, and they last a long time. You just can't beat that. Now I'm taking this YSL matte stain in the color 11. I'm still deciding how I feel about this. It's really pretty and nice, but I just don't know if it's worth almost 50 bucks. I'm still seeing. I'll let you know. And that is it, you guys. This Valentine's Day look is complete.
Forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are.
Alright, you guys, so that was it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a big ol' thumbs up. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below, and subscribe. I would love to have you join my crew. Oh, and happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys are doing lots of fun things, whether it's with a date or with your girlfriends, or honestly, if it's with your sweats and a movie and some chocolate. All of those sound amazing to me, so I hope you guys have a fantastic Valentine's Day. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Grandma just got here with all the other dogs. Can you hear it? Because I can hear it. I think they can hear it in space.
Let's stay.